Join me as we prepare this delicious peach and cucumber salad with avocado dressing and hemp seeds. All of my ingredients are already prepared. Let's begin. Starting off by adding 2 ounces of freshly sliced romaine lettuce, 0.180 ounce of sliced cucumbers, 2 ounce cherry tomatoes, 0.60 ounce julienne bell peppers, and 1.50 ounce of freshly sliced peaches, which can be substituted for any fruit of your preference. We will top it off with 2 teaspoons of hemp seeds. For the dressing, 1 tablespoon of avocado oil, 5 teaspoons of key lime freshly squeezed, 2 teaspoons of agave sweetener, 1/4 teaspoon of Himalayan sea salt. Mix until everything is combined. If you're using the white fine sea salt, it will mix quicker than the pink one I'm using now. I find it slow to dissolve in this dressing, maybe because I'm hand mixing. Salads are simple to make, and this is one of them you can try. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing, like, and share. Stay tuned for my very own Natural Ethics app. Check description details to join the waitlist. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.